What's up guys, welcome back. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. Here we are again with another how to change a light bulb video. How to change the little speedometer light bulb. The stock one's just way too dark and yellow. Not that nice to look at. My dad went ahead and changed his, so that is super bright, a lot more visible. You can definitely see the numbers down here. There's a side-by-side stock LED, so we're gonna go ahead and change that bulb out and I'm gonna show you guys how. So the stock halogen bulb in there, the type of bulb that you need is gonna be a 194. I went ahead and picked up a pack of 10 from Amazon for around $10. It's always nice to have an extra set of these in case one goes out, or in case your friend wants one, your dad wants one, who knows. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and replace that, but the link is down in the description. We're gonna go ahead and remove your headlight shroud, put the Phillips screw down here. So you're gonna get behind right down in here. So right down here, there's gonna be these two washers and pins. You're gonna pull each pin out. There's one pin, do not lose this. Pull the other one out. There we go, so we got our two pins. Go ahead and pull that washer. There's gonna be a washer and a grommet. You're gonna pull both of those out. There's that set. You're gonna go ahead and pull this up right here. Be careful, because there is a little gasket right here. What you're gonna go ahead and do, this is where the light bulb stays. You're gonna go ahead and just pull that. Be careful with the wires, but just pull it. And there we have our 194 bulb. All you're gonna do, go ahead, pull that out. You're gonna go ahead and, I like turning the bike on because there is a positive and negative side to these LED bulbs. So you're just gonna put it in. There we go. That's gonna be it. Now we got it on. All you're gonna do and turn it off. It's kind of blinding. Oh man, I need a second to see. Holy crap. All you're gonna do, take it, push it back into that hole, make sure everything's there. Make sure you hear that little click. Make sure your rubber gasket is on completely. Go ahead, place the washer up and take the little pin, push. There we go. Headlight shroud on. And you should be good to go. There we go, nice and bright. Definitely more visible. It's gonna be a nice contrast even during the day. Super stoked with that. I'm gonna leave down in the description the link for the pack of 10 light bulbs. If you want, search 194 LED bulb, pick up 1, 2, however many you need. That's it for today's video, guys. As always, thanks for watching. Hit that bell icon for notifications so you guys know when the next video is out. If you guys enjoy videos like this, subscribe for more. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Peace out.
Can't believe it's happening. It's happening.